Welcome back for another drive. In this short video we continue our orange car door tour through the Opal fields near Ligtning Ridge. In the last video we visited the Sheepyard Inn, which is the latest pub to open its doors in the area. But next we head to the Glengarry Hilton, which is the oldest pub which has been watering the Opal miners since 1969. Illegally of course, but they finally obtained a liquor license in 1993. No one was ever caught during the illegal operation, but today you don't have to look over your shoulder anymore for the police. The Glengarry Hilton isn't as flash as the real Hilton, but here you can of course get food and drinks, but also accommodation for backpackers and free camping, even with access to toilets and showers for a small fee. On top of that, you can catch up with the miners and soak in the atmosphere of the Opal fields, where Lady Luck has been known to strike for some of the miners. Now, once again I took some handheld footage braving the heat and dust outside. After that, it was time to share a cold drink with some friends.
in the ship or take the up itself.